Chapter beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my digital papers advent calendar 2024. I'm going to be doing a freebie a day throughout the month of December, so starting from the 1st up to the 24th of December, and then you get a very special one on Christmas Day, which you're going to receive a very large paper pack. Okay, so this is my way to say thank you to every single one of you for your continued support throughout all this year. And this is a series I do every single year on my channel. The freebie will be available on my Facebook group, so follow the link at the end of the video. So let's start and show you the freebie for today. Okay guys, welcome to day number 9th of December. Nearly halfway through. Today freebie is this one here. Is a gorgeous background full of small scale flowers and large pink roses and blue lilies on top. This is probably one of my favorite freebie for this series, and I hope you guys would like too. I have used a background from a very popular digital paper kit called Shades of Blue background, which is this one here. It's basically a collection that has been designed to be used with my Blue Butterflies digital papers. This pack here is purely a collection of blue background with different prints and different geometric motifs. So you've got more like a China sort of inspired paisley, small floral, large sort of like geometric tiles. Reminds me of the Mediterranean tiles that we have in Italy. There is another page with small, oh look at that, so cute, so cute. Another tile inspired small scale geometric, and then this page here that I have used to create today's freebie, which is this one here. Can you see? I have used this background and I put the flowers on top. Now let me show you where to find this freebie on my Facebook group. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group, AntonioMakes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group, you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. Lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on file, you'll see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc, etc, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the 3 dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded into your computer or iPad, whatever you're using. Okay guys, so throughout the month of December you can use the code ADVENT, and I'll put here on the screen, ADVENT 2024, to get 30% off everything on my website, including the kit that you just saw today, but also my workshop, my ebook, all my digital papers, etc, etc. I'm going to go guys. Thank you so much for watching. Big thumbs up if you like this video. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube, and I will see you tomorrow for another freebie. Mwah. Bye.